This is for the prompt bait, and honestly, I just didn't know what to draw for this. I was thinking about the typical, like, worm on a hook, catching a fish, bait. But I wanted to keep it within my theme of video games. So randomly one night while I was playing some Call of Duty with the boyos, I just ended up stumbling upon this idea of someone being downed and a sniper just overwatching the guy that's downed for someone to help them to bait them for the second kill. Although I didn't know how to portray my idea in one picture, I luckily got some inspiration from watching some of Jazz's old videos where he teaches you how to animate. But since I'm not an animator, I figured that maybe I could do a stop motion, and boy did I not know what I was getting myself into. And the reason why I say that is because I found it to be a lot of the same drawing over and over. I found it to be a little boring and tedious. I did think that I made some good out of it though, because I did stream the beginning works of it, and I found it easier to engage with my viewers. Also, shameless plug, I'm going to start streaming again, probably Wednesdays around 8 or 9. Link for that will be in the description down below. Anyway, let's get back to talking about this video. Even though I really don't have much more to say about this, I did, however, have a whole thing planned out for this video, but my procrastination got the better of me, and I never got to filming anything or editing until pretty much 5 months later, I think it is, which at this point, I just want to get back to posting regularly on this channel. And also, thank you guys for sticking around and waiting for me to post a new video. And hopefully I will be doing this more on a consistent basis. You have the right to yell at me if I don't. And as you can see, I'm setting up my LED light pad to hopefully speed up this process a little bit. And now I'm just using some painter's tape to tape down my first scene so that it doesn't move around on me when I'm trying to trace the future scenes and have a bunch of distorted images. This pen died on me. I don't know how far we got in that recording, but this pen died on me, and now I gotta throw it out. I gotta find a new pen that is somewhat like this. So we're gonna figure it out. All right. And a quick reminder, guys, if you like what you saw, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you really like what you saw and want to support, don't forget to click that subscribe button with that notification bell ticked so you don't miss any future videos. Also, go check out my Instagram for more art. And thanks. Love you guys, and bye. Ow. It's alright, buddy. I got you. Don't worry, I got you, buddy. Womp womp.